YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Waveman Mike, and today we're back for another video. Let's get into it. In this video, I'm just giving you an update on my waves. If you didn't already know, I scout and I started a whole new pattern. Like at first I was 360 with the beehive, but now I'm like somewhere in between 360 swirl and 540 waves. So I mean, at the beginning of the video you saw me like doing a brush session and all that, and you should be able to see like how my pattern looks from that video. If you really didn't see that well, then my bad. If you skipped that part of the video, then you probably want to go back now that you see that it's about what I'm talking about right now in this video. So yeah, I'm not even gonna lie, I've been slacking on the brushing lately. I've really been slacking on brushing lately. Like for like the last week or so, I just haven't been brushing my hair as much as I should have been, especially after a scalp. You know, that's when you're really supposed to be going in. After you get a haircut, you're really supposed to be going in with the brush. But I have been brushing more like before this week, and I got a little bit of progress. I don't know if you could see it in that video from the beginning, but the swirl started forming, and it's really starting to form. Like I don't know how else to say that. It's really starting to look how it's going to look eventually, if that makes sense. So right now I'm about to show you the stuff I've been using over this process. Wait, did I say? I can't remember if I said in this video that I was wolfing or not, but if I did, then scratch that, because I'm not wolfing, and I wasn't wolfing this entire time. I basically kept my hair below like a 3 the entire time. Right now it's at a 2 with the grain. It looks a little bit lower. That's because I have thin hair, and on top of that I have like light brown hair, so on a camera it looks a lot lighter and lower than it really is. So yeah, that's one downside to my hair. It's always going to look worse over the camera than it does like through your actual eyes, because the camera's going to have a hard time picking up my hair because I have a thin, my hair's just thin, and then on top of that it's a lighter color. It's like some pieces on my hair, like there's like random pieces in my hair that are actually like orange, like actual the color orange, and it's so random because like I've never dyed my hair before, nothing like that. It's just random orange pieces of hair, and yeah, it's something weird, but there's a way around everything, I guess. I could dye my hair black, but that's still not gonna help my hair thinning because I have thin hair. But yeah. Alright, so the number one thing I've been using throughout this wolf is this brush right here. This is the 360 wave process brush. This is the blue edition. It's a medium brush, and this has been my primary brush for brush sessions this entire time I've been going through this wave making process. I start out every session with this brush. When I'm finished with that brush, I usually go on with this brush right here. This is the gold edition curved brush with the handle, also by 360 wave process. This brush is a soft brush. Yeah, I really like this brush. If there's anybody out there that has this brush, I'm pretty sure you like this brush too, because it's a really nice brush. While we're on the topic of 3WP brushes, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway of this brush right here. This is the silver edition of the 3WP brush. So medium, I'm pretty sure it's medium. I'm not 100%. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is a medium brush. If not, it's a soft brush. I'm pretty sure this is a medium brush. The silver edition, basically like this. Actually, it's pretty much the same as another brush. Let me go grab that right now. If you really think about it, it's like the same as these Torino medium brushes, curved brushes. There are a few differences, like the sizes are different. Like this brush is a little bit bigger than this one. But yeah, I still like both of them. I I like the design of this one more. I don't know which one I like to use more because I haven't used this one, but I'm probably gonna buy another one of these for myself just so I can try it out and review it. But yeah, the next thing I've been using over this process is the Coconut and Hibiscus Kids Curling Butter Cream. This is what it looks like. I've been using this as a moisturizer. So I take off my do-rag, I put this in my hair. I don't have it in right now. I actually just washed my hair, so I'm probably gonna put this in tonight. But yeah, I put this in my hair, I rub it in, and then I brush it in, and then I go ahead and use this next product. I go ahead and seal that in with this butter right here by Cold Label. I really like this. It adds a lot of shine. Seems like a really good product from what I've used so far. It has a really like natural smell. It's not like something to like knock your socks off, like dang that smell good, but it's like it's all right. It smells not bad. It's not bad. It's not like, I guess it's good, because if it's not bad, it's good. It's better than decent. So yeah, that just took a lot longer to explain than it should have, so I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the next one. The next one looks pretty much the exact same from the outside. This is the Wolfen Pomade by the same company, Cold Label. The inside looks the exact same, and you use this, well, I use this pretty much anytime my hair gets unmanageable or anything like that, because it is a pomade, so it holds your hair a lot more than like a moisturizer or a pomade would. I mean, moisturizer or a grease would. Jesus Christ, shouldn't have said his name in vain. But yeah, this holds my hair a lot more than a grease or moisturizer would, because a moisturizer doesn't hold your hair. That's like the opposite of what it does. It like loosens your hair. But anyway, you get what I'm talking about. But yeah, let me give you like another little close-up of my hair. Hopefully I can get this right, because I don't have a camera behind me. I mean, I can't even speak. I should just end the video right here. I don't have a mirror behind me, so I can't see if I'm in the view of the camera or not. So like even right now, I don't even know if I'm in the camera right now. I could be like, it could just be showing my chest or something, but I don't know. I'll see when I finish the video. But right now, I'm gonna try to show you my waves. So let's go right now. I hope that was in the camera angle, because I really don't feel like doing that again. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and assume that was in the camera angle, and if it wasn't, then I'll just add another clip at the end of this video. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you did enjoy it, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. My name is Waveman Mike. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and subscribe, because like I said, I'm doing a giveaway, and that can only happen when I hit 10,000 subscribers. And yeah, make sure to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is Waveman Mike. That's also gonna be another way you can enter the giveaway. You have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel and following me. by the way. You can't be one or the other. You have to be both. So, yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. I'm Waveman Mike. Enjoy your day.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy Wavy.
Hey yo, what's up, man? It's your boy 3 Top for me.
What's up, Wave family? It's me, 3WP Rashad.
And make sure everybody go check out Waveman Mike.
Make sure you guys go ahead and check out Waveman Mike.
Make sure you guys check out Waveman Mike on YouTube. I just want to give a special shout out to my fellow coarse hair waver, Waveman Mike.
Right now, man, everybody go check out Waveman Mike right now.
For providing valuable tips to the wave community all over the world.
Right now.
Make sure I show his channel some support and love. Deuces.